Alright, waiting at Larry. One day good, one day bad. No more Earl Grey tea in this whole country. So I guess a trip to Lefkada and a day trip to Athens is in order. All for the love of tea. Looking at another apartment, of which you will see me pretty soon. Bye. Coming up the stairs into the apartment on the 6th floor with the balcony. I believe it's facing southwest. We'll go right to the balcony so you can get the orientation. It's a pretty typical 1 bedroom, 1 bath at a very reasonable price of 300 euros per month. It does have a gas stove, which is a big plus. This is the only one I've seen. Now we're going into the hallway with the dark bedroom and the dark bathroom because the electricity has been turned off. Downstairs and out the door. Walking back, walking out. That was a pretty typical place. A couple of rows behind the lungomare. But that apartment is not my home. But I think something will be coming up pretty soon. And you will be the first to know after I make a big decision. I have a feeling I'll know it when I see it. So on that note, I will leave you and see you soon.